gosh!
What happened?
Oh my gosh!
What's the matter? Why is she screaming?
I can't do this. Wait. How do I do this?
Turn the paper off. What's going on?
Unwrap it. What is it? Pull the tail off. What is it?
Oh my God! Baby, you're crying.
What is that?
Oh God!
Alright, open it.
Oh,
You open it.
I bet the body.
Pick it up. Pick it up. Pick it up.
I can't. He's running all over the place.
Oh God!
I bet the potty.
What a Christmas.
Oh, Ava. Oh my God, see, baby, what you wanted. Oh.
Does he have a name? What's your name?
What's your name?
That hair.
Does he have a name tag
You
on?
have to hold him. He's so free. Give.
Something went flying off the thing, the paper, when you picked it up.
Oh, I wonder if
It was his collar.
is it a girl or a boy?
I have no clue.
Give that paper.
How do we know, Mom?
Well, what's the collar say? Anything?
Oh my gosh.
Oh,
Oh
Are you
my
sure
gosh.
this is yours?
Wait, I think he's a girl. It has a pink.
I don't know. You think she's got to go to the bathroom?
Oh, let her go to the bathroom, guys. If she's been here all night.
She's got to go to the bathroom. Oh, hello.
No.
Where'd you come from?
Come here.
Where'd you come from? Wait, where's my other
Where's the collar, Tim? See if the collar says anything.
The collar is right here, but it doesn't say anything. It's Lola.
Oh, it's a girl. It's a girl.
Where is my shoe, my slipper?
Nick, she is the cutest thing I ever saw.
It's okay. She's
We want a
fine.
belly paper. We want a belly paper.
Somebody's got to take
Look
her
at her blue
outside.
collar.